Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Outer Worlds 2 game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, not working, stopping or other issues on your PC. So let's go through the methods directly. So the very first method, you have to check system requirements. So for that, go to Steam, now search for the game, and then you can go below, and from here you can easily check whatever the requirements to play the game on your PC. So make sure you have our PC have all these requirements, and then try to play the game. Next solution is to modify launch options. So for that, now launch Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example as I have not downloaded the game. So after selecting the game, right click on it, click on properties, then in a general here you have to type -dx11 and then check if you can play the game or not. If not, again come back and here you have to type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to resolve the problem. Next solution is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapters. Here select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search if any update is there, and once your graphics drivers are updated, you should check if you can play the game. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already in the description and update your graphics card and then check if the game is launching or not. Next method is to delete temp files. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and here you have to type %temp% and after that here you can see the temp folder. Lots of files are there. You simply have to select it and then click on delete option. So after deleting the temp files, now check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search over here. Now click on Windows security. After that, click on firewall network protection. Now click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings, and after that here you have to search for the game. If not, you have to click on allow another app and then click on browse, then go to the folder where your game has been installed. Now select the game. After selecting the game, add it to the list. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. So after this, launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. Now the next method is to rename or delete config folder. So in this you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed, and then you have to find the config folder and after that rename it or simply delete it and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option to find if there is any update available, and after if there is any update, you have to update your Windows to the latest version and then check if you can launch the game. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, launch Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and here you have to click on verify integrity of game files. Now after this, make sure to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So in that case, you have to launch Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. Now this will take you where the game has been installed. Here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, here you have to select disable full screen optimizations and click on apply and OK and check if it resolves the problem. If not, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then click on apply and OK and then check if the game is launching or not. Next method is to clear download cache. For that, Steam users, go to Steam, click on settings. Now go below, click on downloads and here you can see clear download cache. You have to simply click on clear cache option. Now after clearing the cache on Steam settings, Now check if the game is launching or not. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager. Now under Processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use and consuming high resources. Now after selecting it, right click on it, click on End Task, and this will close the app that is running without any use in the background. Now after that, check if you can play the game. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go through the link that is already in the description, copy it and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you can download the Visual C++ files on your system. Now after downloading, install them. After installing, restart. Now after installing them, restart your PC and then log into the game and check if you can play it without any problem. Next method is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any kind of antivirus program installed on your system, you are suggested to disable them and then try to launch the game. This is highly suggested because most of the time antivirus program stops you from playing the game, and this is the reason you should disable the antivirus program and then try to play it. Next is to install DirectX on your system. So go through the link and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, here you have to click on download option. Now after downloading it, install the DirectX on your system. After installing it, restart your PC and then check if the game is launching or not. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, click on settings, then click on in-game, and here you have to enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. Simply click on it to disable it and then check if the problem is fixed. GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, then click on general, then switch off in-game overlay options. Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and from here you can easily switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that you have to click on add desktop app, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, click on arrow icon. Under GPU preference, select high performance. Now after selecting high performance, launch the game and see if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the Outer Worlds 2 game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your system. After that, restart your PC. After restarting, launch Steam and again reinstall the Outer Worlds 2 game on your PC and then check if you can play it without any kind of further issues. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.